Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your man Charles back with the Kings of Tech with another cool video. The reason I've entitled this video Rebox Therapy is because I had to simply unbox and then rebox the Surface Duo I was initially sent by Adorama because I started having problems. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is only part one of the video. Please press that like and subscribe button and let's check it out and see what I was going through. Thank everyone once again.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Charles back with the Kings of Tech. Today we have a cool unboxing. We have the Microsoft Surface Duo.
Sorry to interrupt, future Charles here. I've been testing out the Microsoft Surface Duo for a few weeks now and was really enjoying the device until I just tried to use it one day and the screen just started flickering. So I had to return it to Microsoft, had to do a repair order. So I'm waiting to find out. It looks like they've received it. So I'm waiting to find out whether they're going to send me another one or what's going on. Sort of a letdown, you know, that I had to send it back. But things happen. So this is just a brief update. I'll let y'all know what's going on.
And just to bring everyone up to speed on what was going on, I originally purchased a Microsoft Surface Duo from a company called Adorama and was really enjoying the experience with it. Then all of a sudden, I started having problems with the screen. The screen was flickering and then it wouldn't allow me to log on. And since there was, thankfully, I found out there was still a warranty on it, I sent it back to Microsoft thinking that they would repair it. Instead, what they did, they sent me a whole new unit, because mine was 128 gigabyte that I ordered from Adorama. Microsoft sent a 256 gigabyte unit for me to check out. So I was very pleased with that, and the time it took from them to send it back was a matter of days. And this was my first time dealing with Microsoft Repair Center. So they was pretty quick. They sent it within 24 hours back. And now we're gonna open it up and check out what they sent me. Now this was originally released in 2020, I believe, and what happened was the software wasn't ready, but the from what I understand, the hardware was like almost perfect. So without further ado, let's open this up. It looks like they have a pull tab right here for me to just pull it open. Maybe I won't have to use the scissors. That's pretty neat. Yes, indeed. This is the main meat right here. Let's put it to the side. And what made me so excited, especially with their service center, because normally when you get something fixed or repaired, they just fix it and repair it and send it back. Instead of just fixing it and repairing it, they just sent a whole new unit. So this looks like it is the power brick, which it is. I believe it is an 18-watt power brick. We just leave that in the unit since I already had one with the original. Leave that to the side, and also the cable. We just put it back in the box. I believe this is the SIM remover right here. And I got another set of bumpers. This should be what this is right here. Wow. That's all right. So we'll put this to the side. And let's look at what they sent me. Sticky fingers. Oh man, that sound is so delighting. I'm gonna have to crack this open, and just like with the first experience, it feels so good. Wow. Indeed, this is a brand new unit. So Microsoft really looks out for their customers, looks like. Even though I'm primarily iPhone user, I don't try to stay to one company or one device. I like to always keep my options open. So I will use a Windows laptop from time to time, as well as my Macs. You know, for whatever suits the purpose. We shouldn't get caught up into one brand and thinking that brand is the all in all. We should, you know, take the time and try other products. I was originally a Windows user. After so many years, I tried Apple and just saw that it seemed to be more seamless, and it wasn't as many crashes as I was getting in Windows. But that doesn't mean I stick with one brand. I go back to check it out. So this initial unboxing, this is a brand new unit. Not a scratch, not a lick. And I'd like to thank you, Microsoft, for sending it back in a speedy order. So we're going to do a mini review on this and see how it stacks up. We'll be back soon. Thanks everyone for watching. Please press that like and subscribe button, as it really does help the channel. And we'll see you soon. Peace.